25 feet, 10 inches in length, seatbelts for 4, sleeping for 3. This is the 2025 Compass 24JG. Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. This is a gorgeous looking motorhome. This is our full body paint. This is called River Ranch. Why? Because everything is better with ranch. Am I right? I am right. Let's walk around the outside. We'll show you inside after we take a look at all the features you get out here. 4,000 watt gas generator. This bay is really cool. I love this bay for a number of reasons. So this actually leads into the closet inside. This backing plate is adjustable, so if you want to store a grill or something like that, you can do that there, and then you're just going to hook that to the exterior propane connection right down here. Backpacks, whatever it is, I love that bay. Very neat idea. Exterior spray port right here so you can hose off those sandy legs when you come back from the beach. Couple of 110s right there, those are GFCI. Make sure you're plugged into that 30 amp shore power cord, or you have your 4,000 watt gas generator on. Nice long bay here. So camping chairs, whatever it is you need. All the seagulls, capture them, take them with you on your trip. Seagulls love to travel in a Compass. I read that online. You know it's true because that's how the internet works. These are durable rotocast material. So that means it's never going to get moldy. It's not going to mildew. It's not going to get bay stank. It is a nice, long-lasting, easy to clean material. And then we get up front with the nice blacked out wheels. Beautiful look on our 24JG. This is built on a Ford Transit all-wheel drive chassis. So you're gonna have that EcoBoost V6 under the hood, 10-speed transmission, 310 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, 5,000 pound hitch. You have a tow haul mode. You have adaptive cruise control. Great Sync 4 system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Sirius XM satellite radio, variable drive modes, safety features galore, whatever you can think of, you're gonna have it. Here's a list of those right now on the screen. Beautiful, fun driving machine. I love driving the Ford Transit, and what's great when you get set up at camp, check out that passenger chair. Look at that, we have it swiveled around. It is now part of the living area. Little booster seat in there as well, so you can sit back and just relax, or kick back here. This is a jackknife sofa, so you're gonna have sleeping for here if you travel with little ones. These tables are great for a number of reasons. One, everybody gets their own, right? So there's none of this going on. They swivel. You can lift these out of the way, make it work for you. Maybe you have popcorn here and you have the smart TV fired up. Get connected to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Turn your 24JG into a rolling hotspot stream. Get work done, whatever it is you need to do. And if you're working or if the glare is coming through, you have a skylight here. You can easily close. You know, at nighttime when you're sleeping, maybe you don't want the natural light coming in. Maybe you're at a parking lot and there's a street lamp there. You can close that or get the natural light and open it up. Everything is controlled right here through Rapid Camp Plus. Hard buttons down below, quickly turn on lights. Tank levels, auto gen start, 100 watts of solar. You can monitor that from here, connect to the app, everything you need right here on Rapid Camp Plus. Gonna take us to our campsite kitchen. Flip up countertop extension. A lot of counter space in here, especially if you put the sink cover in place over this large single bowl sink. You have a pull down sprayer, lights underneath, tons of storage as well. As we open up all of these cabinets, notice you have adjustable shelves. This is our coastline gray cabinetry and our London fog decor. 2-burner gas cooktop. We have our microwave, air fryer button. That I love having in a microwave, so you don't have to worry about bringing along the air fryer. I use my air fryer at home nearly every day. You can just throw it in there and crisp up whatever it is you need. More storage right up here. Plenty of room as I walk back to show you things. You can see I have a lot of headroom in here. There's a vent fan there. So move about. You can access everything too with the slide wall in. 12-volt fridge right here. And that takes us into the bedroom. Very nice, versatile area back here. So if you want to use this as a little sofa, you can do that. There's another TV back here. right over the large dresser top. Look at all the storage back here too. Number of drawers down over below the countertop here. And then we'll get into this closet, and this is what's great. So you have the hanging space and you have the shelf, but you can push this up, and this is what I was showing you outside. This lifts up if you want to move it, and then there's that storage bay door right there, so you can load up whatever you want in here, and then you can access that once you're outside and set up at camp without having to come inside and track mud into your 24JG. 15,000 BTU AC back here, so you're going to be comfortable whether you are sitting or you are sleeping. This is a really neat bed. Now the slide needs to be out in order to use this bed, but you undo the latch, you lift up the support, the cushion stays right there, and then your bed folds down fast and easy. Queen size bed right there, 2 cabinets up above, reading lights underneath, and that takes us into a rear bath, a very large rear bath. Shower with the printed surround, shelves for all your potions and lotions, lots of counter space up top. You have your sink, a lot of storage here, storage here, storage here, nice storage here, tankless hot water on board. It's a great setup. Lots of options and versatility inside the 24JG. If you would like to build your own and get that MSRP, you can do that right now at thormotorcoach.com.